Looking for a way to generate videos with Google's Veo 3.1 AI completely free? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a tested and fully legitimate method, along with real proof. Right now, this method is free, so make sure to take advantage of it while it lasts, because there's no guarantee it'll stay free forever. With that said, let's jump straight into it.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Iman Global YouTube channel.
I'll show you the link to this AI platform at the end of the tutorial, so don't go anywhere. To kick things off, I'm logging in with my Google account, nice and easy. As soon as the account is created, we get 10 free tokens as a welcome bonus. But honestly, that doesn't even matter, because we're not going to use any tokens at all. Next, we enter the studio page, where you can generate videos directly inside the platform. Inside the Select Video Generation Provider section, you'll see a variety of AI video models like Grok, ByteDance, Kling, and Meta AI. And if you look closely, you'll also spot Google's VEO models right here as well. I'm setting the provider to Google VEO. Now, a little lower in the drop-down menu, you can see different versions of VEO available. As you can clearly see, the word free appears next to Veo 3.1 Fast and Veo 3.1 Lite, which openly tells you that generating videos with these Google AI models will not consume any of your tokens. But models like Veo 3.1 and Veo 2 require tokens and a premium account. I'm selecting Veo 3.1 Fast. Now I'm pasting in a video prompt that I already prepared earlier. For the aspect ratio, we have both landscape and portrait modes available, and I'm choosing 16:9. For now, we'll stick with HD 720 resolution. I'm setting the duration to 8 seconds, and then clicking Generate Videos so the prompt can enter the processing queue. After a very short wait, you can already see the text-to-video result. The video quality actually looks pretty solid and definitely usable, especially considering it was generated completely free. And this right here is proof that the method is both real and legitimate. Right below the video frame, there's a download video option that lets us save the result as an MP4 file. Let's move over to the status section. This area shows the recent performance statistics of the AI models and services inside the platform. You can see how models like Veo 3.1, Veo 2, Grok, ByteDance 2, Meta AI, and others have been performing over the past 1 hour, 3 hours, and 24 hours, including the percentage of successful video generations. For example, in the past hour, Veo 2 achieved a 100% success rate, making it the best performing AI video model on the platform during that time frame. Now check out another Veo 3.1 fast test result. Here we have a reporter covering news in a post-apocalyptic scene. And here's the next video as well. I'm showing you these as actual proof. This time, we have a policewoman patrolling inside a car while clearly under stress. But keep in mind, video generation won't always succeed perfectly. Sometimes you might wait for a while only to get hit with a red error message, and honestly, it can get frustrating. But that's completely normal. These issues usually happen during high traffic hours when the servers are overloaded. Now I'm playing the next video. A female captain trying to control a ship during a violent storm. The results are genuinely impressive. That's exactly what you'd expect from Veo 3.1. Late at night, when I first started generating videos with Veo 3.1 Fast, the waiting times became extremely long. I literally fell asleep waiting for them. But by the next morning, the videos started generating one after another without any issues. So far, all the videos were generated in HD 720. But now let's upgrade the resolution to 1080p. As you can see, this next video was generated in 1080p, and now I'm playing it. Once again, we have the anxious female crew member inside a storm-damaged ship. The quality looks noticeably better this time, although the generation process also took much longer. To access all the videos we've created, we can head over to the History tab. Here you'll see a full list of generated videos, but keep in mind that they only stay in this library for 7 days, so make sure to download them before they disappear. Every single video here was generated while recording this tutorial, and I already played most of them for you.
District! We have multiple casualties! We have to move! Go! Go! Move!
Thanks for sticking around, and here's the URL for the Gemini Gen AI platform that I promised you at the beginning of the tutorial. So overall, you've now learned how to access and generate videos using Google's Veo 3.1 fast model. In 720p resolution, the processing queue was relatively fast, but for 1080p, you'll need a bit more patience. The videos also showed fewer bugs compared to many other AI models, although you should still expect occasional glitches, because even Google's AI hasn't fully matured yet. Based on the results we saw, I'd say this platform is definitely